been a long road without you here, and I've been thinking through each year. Who would have thought we'd drift this far? Wishing I could meet you where you are. We've come a long way from where we began. I'll tell you all about it when we meet again. When I see it will all align. When I see you again, it will all align. How can one day change everything? Talking about the laughs, the rides, the simple things started as strangers, ended as brothers. Now you're gone, but there won't be another. The way you led, the strength you showed, your story lives on in every road. So as I keep driving through this pain, I know we'll reconnect again. First you both go out your way, then pass a line and bonds stay. The friendship grows strong.